Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating immediate credibility. Enroll and finish 1 or 2 focused credentials that employers recognize, because skills trump years when targeted. Once done, optimize your resume and LinkedIn for compliance keywords. Think policies, risk assessments, AML, privacy, so applicant tracking systems surface you. Make 3 targeted networking contacts this week: a recruiter, a compliance analyst, and a hiring manager or alum. Don't wait for perfect experience. Collect verifiable training and document small projects that show you can follow rules. You now convert credentials into demonstrable work. Volunteer to draft a policy, run a gap analysis, or help prepare audit documents, because practical proofs beat vague claims. While doing that, compile a compact portfolio with a sample policy, a risk map, simple test scripts, and an issues log to show process thinking. Then apply broadly to entry roles: analyst, coordinator, junior auditor, customizing each cover note to reference your portfolio examples. Make sure to ask for feedback after interviews so you iterate quickly and improve. You finish by converting offers into growth trajectories. Negotiate for a clear learning path, defined 6 12-month objectives, and access to a mentor rather than pushing only salary. Once on board, prioritize learning key systems and log wins with dates and metrics so you can prove impact in 3, 6, and 12 months. If progress stalls or you get no offers, troubleshoot systematically. Audit your applications for keywords, request referrals from contacts, or accept a short internship to reset momentum. This fixes credibility gaps quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.